everybody, and today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to draw Super Mario. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we're about to start, but before we do, I just want to remind you that drawing Super Mario isn't the easiest task, and it may take a few tries, but just keep your cool and keep trying, and be sure to put your heart into your picture. It will come out if you do that. So, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I always start with the hat because that's what's best for me. I don't know why. But so, here we go. We do a bump, and then a bigger bump, and then we go back in here. And then we go back in here, and we finish. Okay. And then draw a circle with an M in it. Okay, there's Mario's hat. So, now what you've got to do is that. You know, if there are any leftover lines, just erase them. Okay, so now that there's a curve right here and enough space for an ear, that's what we're gonna do. So, after you draw the ear like that, this goes down into the face. So, to do the face, just like this. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now, if you want to go the extra mile, you can even do details in the ear. Not necessary, but it's okay. Now, we're going to do the hair. And hair back here. Okay. Now, we're going to do a big fat nose in the middle. And 2 ovals for the eyes, both on each side. Then do a pupil and fill it in. And same on this side. Now do the iris. Just a line right around the pupil. And now for the eyebrows. Just like moons. And fill them in. And do the same on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to do the mouth and a tongue. And there's one thing missing, the mustache. So you're going to come out from the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go back in. And fill the mustache in. And one last thing for the face, just do the ear on the other side. And there's Mario's face. Now it's time for the next step. Mario's arm. So, we're gonna go out from the ear. Then go like this. That's the glove. And then come back with the arm. And finish. And then the hand. A bump for the finger. And then another bump for another finger. And then another bump for another finger. And Yup, another bump for another finger. And then you come down, and what do you know? Another bump for the thumb. And then finish. So now, fill in these lines. And a line for the hand. So, that glove is done. And now, we're gonna come out from the hair. And then do the glove. And then do Mario's fist. And then this, oh sorry, I did one extra finger. But, so 3 fingers, and then this is the trickiest part, the pinky. So we're gonna go like this. And then go back up to the hand and finish. So now just extend the lines if you want. And the glove things. So now this arm is done, and you're gonna come from where you started. Like that. And then do the same thing on that side. And do one more line in the overalls. So now just a really small line right there. And then take from this down here. So it should look like that. Then the leg. Okay, then back up, and then back down, back up to the fist. Now, the last thing that's missing, well, besides this line, is the shoes. So you have to go like this, and then the bottoms of the shoes, like that. Then the shoe is a little different. Make kind of a circle-like shape. Go like that. And the heel. And there you have it. That's Mario. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like or tell me in the comment section below. Maybe you could even click on that subscribe button and on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I hope to see you soon. Bye.